So I decided for one of my first of my five new technologies is to use GoNoodle. It's something I've heard about in this class, but I've also heard about in one of my other grad classes, and I thought this was kind of interesting because we all did a lot of SEL stuff, I feel like, with remote and with coming back over the last 2 years. And I thought this was kind of a unique little website that kind of helps with that. And the way I would use this in class is I would use it either at the beginning or somewhere in the middle of class as like a brain break, as a reflection. And the way I would do it is I would use in the categories here. They have all kinds of stuff from curricular, motor skills, school life, even just getting kids moving. But I want to focus on this one here. And the button I kind of liked as I looked at stuff was enhanced focus. And in here's all kinds of stuff. And my favorite, this is gonna sound really crazy, but I like the little breathing technique ones, including the bear breath. And there's one, let's see if I can find it. The bee breath is kind of neat too, but I would just use this mindfulness one in class to kind of just start class off to get students to think about the moment that they're in, and to kind of block out some of the other stuff. And as you click it, what you end up with is about a 3-minute video that kind of goes through um, mindfulness. Let's put
From
the intro.
mindless to mindful. To be mindful is to let your attention rest on this moment, on just right now. Let's practice being in the moment. Your body is still, right now. Can you feel that? Your breath is moving in and out of your nose. Can you notice that? Rest one hand on your chest. Can you feel your breath?
So like I said, I kind of chose this one because I think it's really important for students to use SEL, and for us to guide them through that, especially just with all this stuff going on in the world and our students' lives. It can be kind of hectic. So I thought this one was kind of important. It also reminds me of something my mom used to do to help me relax and put me to sleep, was focusing on different parts of my body and just thinking about relaxing those things. So it's kind of an interesting little video. As far as like a finished project or a product with this one, all the stuff's already included, and so I found that to be pretty neat. So as you exit the video, all these videos are already here. Plus, it keeps track of how many times you get involved, and so I think that's kind of neat too. It's kind of a little fun way to just make sure you're staying mindful and aware of all the stuff that you do.